I want to start investing in mutual funds. I have researched online too, but I cannot seem to learn.
Do you think that this team can perform without the coach?
Of course not. The coach guides the team throughout. His insights help the team perform better.
Similarly, when it comes to mutual fund investing, you need a mutual fund distributor who can guide you in making the right decision. A mutual fund distributor can understand your financial needs and risk profile, based on which they can recommend tailored mutual fund investments.
Ah, I see what you're saying. But honestly, with all the market ups and downs, I tend to panic sometimes and make emotional decisions.
A distributor also handholds you throughout your investment journey, helping you stay calm and composed during market volatility and avoiding emotional decision-making.
You're right. I guess having someone to guide me through market volatility would really help.
And that's not all. After you're done investing, they can help you track your progress and adjust your portfolio in case of deviations by reviewing and rebalancing it when necessary. Through this, they can help fulfill financial needs and build wealth. Hence, you should make a mutual fund distributor your investment guide.
I'll get the guidance of a mutual fund distributor today.